This is a brand new 2013 GMC Yukon. This SUV has an automatic transmission, a 6.2-liter V8, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, a DVD player, XM satellite radio, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, roof rails, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, steering wheel mounted controls, interior wood trim accents, an illuminated passenger side vanity mirror, side impact airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, an unattended headlight warning chime, external temperature display, and an auxiliary power outlet. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.